First thing you're gonna do, 2 engine covers, you're gonna take it out. Just pull it out. You have to take it off. Timing belt cover, and in this black part, this cover over here too, is a 3 screws, 2 on a timing belt cover, 1 on this one. Let's start with this one here. You'll be your best friend on this screw over here. Down. You're gonna use a Phillips to take this out. So we're gonna take the headlight first. We're gonna take 2 up here on a headlight. This tool over here gonna be really really helpful, and there's one all the way down here. I'm gonna show you. There, the bolt over there. The only thing you have to do is loosen up the bolt a little bit so the headlight's gonna slide out. There's one more right there. You don't need to take the whole thing out. Have to squeeze it on the sides. Right here, was leaking right here, which is the bottom part right in here. Clean everything really good. The new one is on.